Our first question is, draw a line, take a point A outside the line through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. There are some steps for constructing a parallel line to L. Write down the steps of construction. First step is draw line L. First we draw a line L by using a scale. This is our line L. Now the next step is take a point in the question given, take a point A outside the line. So our second step is take a point A outside the line. Suppose my point A is somewhere here and point A is outside the line. Now the third step is draw a segment AC perpendicular to line L. This is our point A and this is our line L. I am going to draw a perpendicular line, not line. Why? Because they have two end points, so this is a segment. Now I have drawn a segment A, C. Suppose this is point C. Now AC is a segment AC is perpendicular to line L. Then our next step is take another point. Suppose D, take another point D on line L. Suppose my point D is somewhere here and point D is on the line. Suppose this is my point D. Now the next step, draw, this is our point D. Now the next step is draw segment DB perpendicular to line L, such that length of DB should be equal to length of CA. Now we have to draw a segment DB perpendicular to line L such that length of DB will be same as length of CA. Length of CA, suppose my 4 cm, then length of DB is also 4 cm. Now the last step, the line M passing through points A and B is parallel to the line L. Now this is our point B. Now we will draw a line passing through point A and B, and suppose my line name is M. Now we have drawn a line which is, we drawn a line which is parallel to line L. Our question is, draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 5 cm from it. In this problem, first we have to draw a line M, then we draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 5 cm from the line M. First we write the steps of construction. Our first step is draw line M. First we draw a line M. Suppose this is my line M. This is our line M. This is our first step. And then the second step, take 2 points, suppose point A and B, on the line M. This is our line M, and this is our point A, point B, second step. Then the third step is draw perpendiculars to the line M, draw perpendicular lines to the line M from points A and point B. From point A and point B. This is our third step. Now we draw a line from a line. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular line to the line M and from the point A and point B. Now this is my 2 perpendicular line. Now I have drawn the 2 perpendicular line from point A and point B. Now our fourth step is on the perpendicular lines, take, suppose I will take points P and Q at a distance. In question it is given, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 5 cm. So we take a distance we write at a distance 5 cm from point A and B respectively. Now this is a 5 cm. This is my point P, and from here this is our point Q. Now our next step is draw line PQ. Now we draw a line PQ. And in question it is given, draw a line N which is parallel to line M. Now this is our line N which is parallel to line M. And the last step is line PQ is a line, or line M is a line parallel to the line M at a distance 5 centimeter. This is perpendicular. Here, this is making an distance 5 centimeter, and also its distance is 5 centimeter. This is our final solution.